Piper loved to climb a mountain. Last week, he is climbing the Blue Mountain and saw the fantastic sunrise at peak. After supper, he goes down and walks along the big river. He is entering the jungle in the foot of the mountain and walk across two small lakes. He saw many rare plants in the jungle. Some of it has a big leaf. Some of it has a thorny leaf. Finally, he is sitting among two bushes. He opens up his bag and takes out 2 candies and a chocolate coin. He is eating it and admires the mountain above him. Congratulations, you already draw a cat. Now let's give it a color.